Couple of charity packages here, so let's have a look, see what's come in the post. Oh. So these are from Dan Tootil off of the Twitter, and they are a set of C64 translucent keys. But you can see that they are very translucent, fantastic, and they're to go. Turn that off. They're to go in the translucent cased C64. Now there's another package here. Thank you, Dan. That's really kind of you. There's another package here that could be a case, and I don't know which one it is. So let's have a look. Oh, it's the Amiga. Look at that. I might have to keep this case. This box, it has actually got a bit of a dent in the front of it, which is a bit unfortunate. That's what happens when things go through the postal system, I'm afraid. And unless it's double boxed, you ain't gonna avoid getting a bit of a squish. I'm really bad at getting things out of sleeves. Big ham fists don't help. That's not attached anywhere, but it doesn't want to move. I think it's where it's a bit crushed there. Doesn't want to go either way. Compatible with Apollo Vampire V4 standalone and Raspberry Pi 3 and 4. What's in the box? One Amiga 500 top shell, one Amiga 500 bottom shell, one bottom trapdoor, two rear trapdoors with an RJ45 and a plane, one left side trapdoor, two right side trapdoors, ports and plane, 4 pads and 1 floppy button, 6 screws, and obviously it's crystal, but it's not going to help us if I can't get it out of this bloody sleeve. Oh. It moved. There we go. It was where it was taken a bit of a crease. That's what was causing the problem. There's a bit here as well, right in that corner there. Yes, we're in. Maybe I won't use that. Oh, this is exciting. Lots of bits, more bits. There's another bit. Oh, that's a nice badge. I like that. Go on, focus. Well, whoever wins this, I am very jealous. What a thing. This was not cheap. Oh, I've just realised I didn't get stung for import duties, which is lucky. Look at that. Oh, it feels really, really nice. I'm not going to put this one face down. Oh, it's got signatures on the back as well. Who are they? Are they going to be read from the inside? Oh. Dave Haney. Oh, I can't read that one. David Pleasance and someone else. So the actual Amiga designers and creators and other people. That is just lovely. It does feel premium. I was worried it was going to feel a bit weak, like resin prints can sometimes feel, but this It's got like a creaminess to it. There goes my doorbell. 1 second. Mostly junk mail. But I did get another package and I'll open that in a sec. Yeah, super, super happy with this. I'm not going to mess around with it too much right now because everything's nicely packed away and I don't want to lose any of the bits. So I'm actually just going to put them inside there. For now, I'll put it back in its box, and this can wait for when I've done the rebuild with, oh, should we, have I got that handy? Yeah. When this goes inside it. Oh, I'm tempted to put that in there. This is going to be an amazing, amazing machine to own. I am honestly very jealous. I would love one of these. But yeah, thank you to all of the people that donated on Coffee that funded this purchase, and they funded a C64 crystal case that I was hoping would go with the keys, but I haven't got anything to go in it yet, so it doesn't really matter. But they're everybody that did that, I really appreciate your help. There will be other little fundraising things going on to buy the bits and pieces to do all of this. Right, I'll open this one upside down because my label is on the other side. And I know what this is. I've been tracking this one. From my friends at JLC PCB. I don't think there's much difference between the services. They're all been good to me. PiStorm, Revision B, PCB. Yeah, I've not had a problem with PCBWay or JLC PCB. They're the only ones I've really used. No problems with either of them. So, and obviously not sponsored. Here we go. They're still attached to each other. Oh, look at that. I went for fully assembled this time. I normally do this thing by myself, and I enjoy this kind of fine pitch soldering. I've just done it on a project that I'm working on at the moment. Oh, they're taped together, and yeah, it looks terrible, but it's really not. I will go over these with magnification just to make sure everything's all right, and I'm going to test them all in my own Amiga using a Lazarus Storm, which I've lost. Oh, they're over there somewhere. But one of these is for me. One of them, no, so I've got 5 PiStorms, so I'll probably make a PiStorm up and sell that as a. It's going to be. I need to get permission from the creators to sell it in auction. That's tricky. It might need to go in a machine actually. If it's part of a machine, then I'm not selling it as a unit for profit. The rules are a bit tricky. Or I'll just ask for permission. But yeah, one of them's for me, and the others will make sure go to charity. Marvellous. Let's put those in there. Brilliant. That's all there is today. Packages are coming in all the time. It's going to be a busy time. Like so many things, especially when I'm going to the cave on the 2nd of June, to Neil's cave on the 2nd of June, and I'm meeting a few people up there, quite a few people up there. And there's quite a few things being handed over to me for the charity. People saying that they will hand it over then to save postage, which is a great idea. I'm also going to the Amiga Kickstart event, and there's going to be loads of people there, and there's quite a few people there that are handing things over to me as well. So good job I got a big boot on my car. Right, see you in the next one.